Hi, it's me, Mariah. Hi, my name is Mariah Serenity Touches. And I'll tell you how to spell Serenity. Serenity. Hey guys, it's me, Mimi. Today, I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving mukbang. Yay! So, I'm going to be showing you what I have. So first, instead of I show you the food first, I'm going to show you my drink. It's like kids beer, but it is kids beer. It's like kids beer. Like my dad drinks beer. It's not like the beer like grown-ups drink. Mom never drinks beer like that always. So I never drink beer because this beer is for kids. But the real name is called apple cider. I love apple cider. There are different kinds. They're like grape and apple and stuff. And now I'm going to show you my food. So first thing I'm going to show you is some dressing and some cranberry sauce. I love cranberry sauce. It's kind of like Jell-O, but it's not Jell-O. Look at the color. And we have some turkey. We cut up the turkey. We have mashed potatoes with dressing on top. And we have some bun, some bread. Look at the bun. It's mostly like a sponge. And we have some greens. This is my green. That's like the yum. I kind of hate greens, but I like them. This is macaroni and cheese. I love macaroni and cheese. And my favorite, candy yam. So I'm going to pick these things up and show you what it looks like. Oops. Let me show you a close-up of my food. I can't pick turkey. Look at that. Okay, guys. I'm going to start eating. Oh, and my mom cooked this. She cooked the candy yams. That was earlier. The greens. Everything on the plate she made. Ooh, look at this. It's so Jell-O. Okay, guys. Before I eat this food over here, this deliciousness food, I'm going to tell you 3 things that I'm thankful for on Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for this food that my mom made. And I'm thankful for my family, Son Boy, Daddy, Mommy, and myself. And you guys too. And I'm thankful for food, I said food on my back. I'm thankful for clothes that are on my back. And I'll tell you one more thing. I'm thankful for you guys. That's what I mean. And I'm going to say, okay guys. Okay, let's see. Do you want me to taste this, guys? Okay. Want me to taste this? It's bubbling in my mouth. OMG. This is your bar. Because the best. My favorite. It takes all the effort out of me. The mashed sauce. Bread. I have to taste this, definitely taste it. I just blew it when it was really cold. It was so nasty. Ooh. This is really yummy. So yummy. Can you check on me? Oh my god, this is so sour. I'll eat some of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Wipe this off. I'm going to move on to the mashed potatoes. Move out. I thought this was mashed potatoes. Messy. I love macaroni and cheese. Not bad. Not bad.